Hyperia running one train. That is definitely the scariest Fright Night edition for 2024. You're watching Ride Comparisons and we're here for Fright Nights 2024. I've been looking forward to this event all year, guys, but unfortunately I'm really ill. If you've been following the channel, you know we've just been to Florida in America. We've done all of the Orlando theme parks. It's been absolutely great. There's still quite a few videos to come out, but today we're here for Fright Nights. Wish us luck. It's the first weekend, so unfortunately it is very, very busy. The minute we got off the plane from Orlando, guys, I haven't actually left my house. This is the first time I've been outside my house because I've been so ill. So I would have skipped today, but unfortunately I've already bought the tickets, so I'm going to try my absolute best for you, but I am absolutely dying, so bear with me. It's very windy today, guys, but here we go. Thorpe Park hopefully can bring us some joy after returning back to the UK after America. So if you haven't heard yet, guys, Hyperia valleyed again, unfortunately, so they had to get the cranes in and take off one of the trains. It's currently running one train and I think it's got a 2-hour queue, so I'm not too sure if we're going to do it today. So we got Stitches over here, guys. We didn't get the chance to do it last year, so we'll be doing that later. Hopefully it's good. Also, just noticing, guys, they've actually got the bratwurst stand back along with the brownies, which is awesome. They didn't have it for the Oktoberfest event. After all these roller coasters in Florida, does Hyperia still stand up? 165-minute queue, obviously one train and reduced capacity, unfortunately. There you go, reduced capacity, waiting times may be longer than usual. That was extremely painful, guys. I'm not sure if we'll do that again, but it was great to get back on Hyperia after all the American roller coasters. Good old Mac lap bars. I'd actually go as far to say it's a lot more comfortable than Iron Gwazi. We got the new maze for 2024. All of the speculation was correct. They have put it inside of the old Black Mirror maze. I don't actually know anything about it because I've been away, so I haven't really been following Fright Night, so it's all going to be a bit of a surprise. The only thing I did hear, they actually got rid of Death Door's Scare Zone. They haven't replaced it with anything, unfortunately, so that's a little bit of a bummer. After going to Mickey's Not So Scary at Magic Kingdom with about 80% of people dressed up, this is what we needed a little bit more of. Maybe not with the face there. But yeah, when you come into the UK theme park events, guys, dress up. I know I haven't today, so I can't really say much. What time's all the spooky stuff start?
3 o'clock, I think.
3 o'clock. What's that? Scare zones or mazes?
All of it.
All of it. Okay, so we've got a little while to go yet. What time does it get dark now?
Isn't it 3 or 4?
3 or 4. Oh god, not quite Orlando. But hey, gotta love Moria Meadow, guys. When we were here last year, we actually made the mistake of coming the final week of Fright Nights, and it was so busy that the queue went all the way back there past where Hyperia now is, and it was just insane. One of the crows got punched last year, didn't they, Jacob? Over by Swarm. It wasn't great. So the others are going on so quick. I can't do that to myself today, guys, with this cold. I think I might actually die if I go on that. That'll be the end of my day. Bad back, oh yeah. I'm getting old, guys. I got a bad back the other day from Volcano Bay's drop slide. Unrelated to Fright Nights vlog, guys, I just want to say there's a speaker over here by Samurai. I hear it every time I come to Thorpe Park. It's just birds cheeping, but oh my god, it is so annoying. There it goes. One thing I am disappointed about, guys, and this isn't specific to Fright Nights, just UK theme parks in general, there's no themed food. I mean, we got the brownies back, that's awesome because they taste amazing, but they're not scary, they're not themed. Come on, UK theme parks, where's all the themed food? America is just destroying us in that aspect. So we got Lucifer's Lair here, back for 2024, guys. Doesn't look as well themed as it was last year. We got the throne there, but it just looked a lot cooler last year. Anyway, guys, it is extremely busy, unfortunately. Try and avoid weekends if you can. I think Fright Nights is pretty much fully booked now. Anyway, I'll be back at 3 o'clock when all of the interesting stuff starts.
Welcome to a sinner's go-to bar!
Welcome to Lucifer's Lair! Let us scary tonight!
pretty good introduction there, guys. It was a little bit short-lived. The costumes are a lot better this year, aren't they?
Yeah, that was cool.
They had some really good pupils there. That was really creepy. Yeah, 2024 Fright Nights has officially begun. We're just heading over to Stitches now. It's our first maze. We opted for the earlier mazes because it was a little bit cheaper.
Yeah.
You ready?
Didn't do Stitches last year. I'm looking forward to it.
Worth a mention, guys, they're actually getting rid of the Thorpe Park Beach. I think there's a poster in the Deadbeat queue line, apparently, saying that they're doing the last beach party in November sometimes, and I'm not too sure what they're going to be replacing it with. So I will recommend, guys, do the mazes when it's dark. It adds to the atmosphere and it's a lot better. We only did it because it was cheaper. So here we are, heading over to Stitches. So Sky actually did this maze last year, didn't you? Is it any good?
Yeah, it was really good. I think I prefer this over survival games.
Oh, really?
I don't like survival games.
We haven't got survival games this year, guys. I wish we did, because I really liked it. I thought it was good. Why don't you like it?
I just don't.
Wait, what?
Survival games.
I did it last year.
Do you like it?
It was alright. It was just very light and hurt my eyes.
You were gutted you missed this last year, weren't you? You finally get to do it, Jacob. Got the Toy Box Tavern over there. Stitches, here we go. What do you reckon, Jacob?
It was very good. I liked it.
Anything in particular?
I like the ending.
It was really long as well,
Yeah.
wasn't it? That was actually a really good scare maze, guys. I was a bit worried after doing all of the events in America. Coming back to England, that's probably one of the best mazes we've done in the past few weeks, isn't
Yeah,
it?
if it holds up.
Obviously, if you did it last year, it might be a bit repetitive, but that's our first time doing it, and it was great. Oh, I wasn't expecting to bump into these guys yet, guys. These are the legends of Thorpe Park Fright Nights. It's the crows. Oh, we got someone dressed up as one there.
I know.
Oh, the crows are the best, guys.
I know.
Whoa, creepy. It's great to see Thorpe Park have been listening to everybody, because there are so many crows this year. Thorpe Park knows these are the winners. Also got some intense music playing around the park, which is awesome, adding to it. The Fright Nights in full force. The best time to visit Thorpe Park. Heading over to trailers now. It's been here a few years, but apparently they've changed up some of the scenes this year, so hopefully we got a little bit of replayability, because it is getting a little bit stale.
Trailers is good, but it's probably the weakest maze.
But I say they might have changed it up this year apparently, haven't
Yeah.
they? So hopefully it's good. Here we go, trailers. Jacob just saying there how good Lucifer's Lair is. It's good, isn't it? He was just saying about the old birthday bash, if everyone remembers that one.
Yeah.
It's absolutely terrible, wasn't it? We don't even know what that was, but that's good. And I'm glad they brought that couple back this year, because they are very good. What did you think of trailers this time?
I thought it was better this year.
You say that was your best run through?
Probably.
They had the old Creek Freaks in there. I didn't do it last year, so I'm not too sure what was different.
There wasn't anything different last year.
No, did they not have the Creek Freaks last year?
No, the Buckwheats are new, and they have platform 15 in there as well.
Oh, fair enough. I didn't know that. I think they could have had some chainsaws, though. That would be my only complaint.
Yeah.
The size of this queue, guys. So they've changed the Big Easy Boulevard Cinema was playing the Ready Player One. For Fright Nights, they've changed it to It, apparently. You need to be a certain age limit, but I don't know if we're going to get on it, guys, because this queue is just insane. I don't know what this is. Fright Nights is sponsored by Fanta this year. Ooh, scary Fanta. I have no idea what this is though, guys. Getting some Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party flashbacks here. Chop chop advertising. Cheers. Cheers, thank you. I was not expecting how sour they were, guys. Oh my god. So we got Creatures Campus here. It wasn't as good as it usually is last year, so We'll have to wait and see. I think it's just shows now. They used to have the actors roaming and it was a lot better, but we'll have to wait and see. Heading over to Deadbeat now, guys, the new maze for 2024. I managed to avoid all spoilers except for my cousin telling me that apparently there's a strip club in there.
Well, yeah, I saw a video.
The heat in Florida and being out in the sun for all that long's just destroyed my little GoPro stick. So it might be a funny camera angle now, guys. Just wondering why Samurai's stuck up like that. Okay, Deadbeat, what do you reckon?
That was alright.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Compared to the others?
I think it's the weakest maze.
The weakest maze. It's not great, guys, for a new maze. I mean, there was a lot of like black barrels in there that you kept tripping over. The ceiling went low at one point. That was the only really scary part of it.
I like the ending.
You like the ending? Other than that, it was just like a standard night at my local nightclub Temple. So if any of you have been to Temple Bar, that's the scare maze. What do you reckon? You reckon it was good?
It was alright, except for when I fell over.
The current queue for Saw the Ride, guys, because it just went down. Absolute madness. Anyway, heading over to Moria Meadow now, the best scare zone. You saw the crows earlier. This is where they live. That is crazy there, guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, into Moria Meadow. Obviously a lot better at night, but let's go check it out. Also worth mentioning, this is a free attraction. Moria Meadow was good there as always, guys. As I say, it's a free scare zone. You've also got the survival games over by the Swarm. We're not doing it this year. I'm not sure why. Why didn't they book it?
I don't know. None of us wanted to do it, so.
You don't like it? Why? What's wrong with it?
I don't like it very much.
You don't like it very much?
Well, I was going to do it, just that no one else wanted to do it, so.
Yeah, I wanted to do it. The first time I went in there, someone spat on me. So survival games, I probably would say still the strong contender, guys. Stitch is probably number 1 or number 2.
No, Stitch is definitely number 1.
You think it beats survival games?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're too scared to do survival games. That's the point.
I'm not scared, I just don't like it very much.
Anyway, guys, obviously Fright Nights hits its peak when the sun goes down, so we'll see you in just a moment.
Could be asked to leave the park. No smoking or vaping as you wander through. Filming is allowed inside, but do not use flash photography.
Front row stealth at night, guys, it is just absolutely insane. It's definitely the night ride that you want when you come to Thorpe Park, even over Hyperia, I'd say. I'm not sure if we're going to get a night ride on Hyperia, unfortunately, because obviously with the one train and reduced capacity, the queue is ginormous. Anyway, let's take a little look at the Creature Campus this year. So they got the exact same show on again. I think this is the 3rd or 4th time they've done it. Saving money there, I suppose. 170 minutes. This is probably a terrible idea. Two front rows in a day. I don't know how we managed that one. That was a really long wait, but Hyperia front row at night was incredible. What do you reckon?
Oh, that was good.
I know I said before on the night ride, guys, that I still prefer stealth, but that really did beat it. That was awesome, wasn't it? Unfortunately, we had a little bit of trouble with queue jumpers there. They jumped in, so I told the staff, and they really would not leave, so they had to get the manager over. As they left, they started shouting abuse at us and everything, so it was a bit of a nightmare. Security had to come over, so we're just waiting now, aren't we? Security's over here. I don't know if they're waiting for us. I don't really fancy a fight tonight. I'm bigger than both of them, but just don't really fancy it tonight. I'm ill and I just want to go home. So it's just, yeah, just some really bad luck at the end there, guys. Just some really chavvy douchebags screaming absolute abuse at us, but it's okay. We managed 2 front row rides. We haven't done that for a while.
The front row ride there was incredible.
It was absolutely insane, guys. If you manage to get Hyperia front row at night, hold the little bar as well. It's awesome. When you do the drop, it feels like you're going upside down. It's absolutely crazy. Anyway, what do you think of Fright Nights, Jacob?
It was really good, to be honest.
Compared to previous years?
Don't know.
You don't know? You're not sure?
I think there's been slightly better years.
There's been better years, you'd say. I got the chance to do Stitches. We got the chance to do Stitches, didn't we? Stitches is very good. It's a very strong maze. Obviously, we didn't do survival games today.
Best maze this year.
Best maze this year, you'd say. No, actually, I'd give it that. It probably made me jump the most. But yeah, it's a really good event, guys. As I say, it's the best time to come to Thorpe Park. It's probably the best theme park related Halloween event. Although I'm not sure, Towers have upped their game this year, so we'll have to go over there and see. Absolutely brilliant, guys. I'm not really sure what else to add. Obviously, we got the addition of Deadbeat this year, guys. Wasn't too great. What I will say is, obviously, they have added an extra maze, which is great, but I think they need around 5. They used to have the fire and light show as well. That was absolutely brilliant, wasn't it? So it was a real shame they got rid of that.
Lucifer's Lair is good.
Lucifer's Lair is very good and it is very strong, and they have the little fire show, but as you see there, guys, they got a little bit of repetitive with the dangerous act there. We saw it about 3 times, didn't we, whilst we were walking past? But anyway, it's another great year of Fright Nights. Probably not the strongest. They also got rid of Death's Doors there, which was a real shame, and they didn't really add any other scare zones in. And the Creature Campus was a lot better in previous years when they had the werewolves and the vampires. But anyway, this is just nitpicking, guys. It's still an awesome event. Make sure you get down to Thorpe Park and give it a go. And I wouldn't do it on the last week because it gets a little bit crazy. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget, hitting that subscribe button really, really helps us out. And I'll see you next time. Woo! Remember, guys, Fright Nights means alcohol, and alcohol means this. Be safe at Fright Nights, guys. I can't end this vlog, guys. All the drama. Now everyone's gone chaos in the car park. Everyone's beeping at each other. Oh God, we're never going to escape. New scare attraction, Thorpe Park 2024. This is a Fright Nights tradition, guys. Hey! If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.